Welcome back to the channel, guys. How are you doing? You know, it's your boy Blazing Flame today with another epic video, you know. Yeah, man, we want to do some all-in-one Jamaican style. Some people call it plut, pacasa, all them thing. So as you can see, sister has already started the process of getting the shrimp clean. Here we're going to use shrimp in it, guys. Yeah. And as you know, as usual, sister always take pride in getting her things properly sorted out. Yeah, she's a boss lady in the kitchen. Yeah, man, no joke. See it? Yeah, so after that, I'm just putting some seasoning, powder seasoning, Maggi, and the shrimp. In Jamaica, we say we're gonna parch them. Yeah, so there's a tip oil in the pot, and the process is there. On the way, put them in, and you know, it's not really fry, but just to get them all crispy and thing. Yeah, man, guys. So as you see, they are coming on fine, starting to change color. That is it, guys, no joke. Look at it. Wish you all that was in the kitchen here to smell all these aroma. Beautiful. Smell good, guys. Yeah, honestly. So it's now time to get some more ingredients on the way. We're going to do the coconuts. I've already cut them up, so going to get them washed now. Coconut is a main ingredient when doing this pot, guys. Alright? Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Always turn on the post notification bell, guys. So as soon as the video drop, you'll be the first to get them, right? Yeah, man. After washing the coconut, you know, we blend it. Some people would use a grater, but you know, we use this method to blend it. Get it straight now. Separate the trash from the milk. Yeah, man, no joke at all. What do you mean, sister? Show them you're the boss in the kitchen. Yeah, guys, after getting all this milk squeezed from the trash, you know, it's time to get it on the fire and all. You can see sister getting her dumpling meat here. Dumpling is also a main ingredient in this pot, guys. Yeah, man. So remember, guys, today we're doing all-in-one. Some place in the world you call it plut. Some people call it pacasa. Yeah. So sister getting all the dashings peeled, cut into small pieces and all. Yeah, guys. Beautiful. Now she's peeling her cassava. Didn't get any breadfruit, guys, so we will be cooking this pot without breadfruit today, but you can always put all the things you need in it. Whatever you feel comfortable eating or like to eat. As you see, guys, the shrimp coming on nice here. Beautiful. That is it, guys. That is it. Now, some people call this green fig, especially in Trinidad. In Jamaica, I would say green bananas. So you can see sister getting them all peeling here. And yes, guys, we don't want to cook them in the skin. We separate the skin, right? So it's now time to get the dumplings in the pot. Really hard man flow sister make big and thick. Artist say out and bad stunting. Something like the girl them thick like dumpling. So guys, you can like, share, comment, tell us where you're watching us from. Yeah man, sister getting all the provisions properly cleaned and washed. You know it's time to go in the pot, guys. This is going to be a bomb, guys. You can smell the sweet essence of the coconut milk boiling. Sister starting to season her pot again, guys. Maggi cock soup. A bit more for Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Yes, guys. She's about to add in her parched shrimp. And this is what gives the pot 50% of the flavor, guys. Honestly. It's like something to die for. Yep. Nice sweet aroma. Yes, guys. You can see sister here now getting some more of her natural seasoning cut up and all. Putting up her sweet pepper. Peeling her Irish. See, she have onions, carrots, and all them things. Adding them to the pot now, guys. Sister is getting everything in the pot, guys. You can smell the sweet essence and aroma in the kitchen. I'm wondering if the neighbor will come over. Getting them all stirred now. I would say stir up the pot. All in one, guys. That one here wicked, that one here go bad. Yeah man. So guys, you can always comment and tell us what kind of video you want us to adventure in, what kind of menu you want us to try, and we will. Alright? Yes, everything coming on good here, guys. Everything look nice and delicious. Yeah man. So sister dishing out some food, dishing out hers. You know, me need them little bit of food, you know. Sister can't give me 2 dumplings. Yeah guys, this is bomb. So this is it, guys. As we approach final phase of this video. Thanks for watching as always, and this is the end product. Please remember, guys, to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell, so as soon as the video drop, you will be one of the first to get it. I'm your boy Blazing Flame in the kitchen with my sister Petra. Thank you for watching.